to Virtual Desk Solution, where we teach basic computer studies. If you're new or you're just getting to learn computers, this video is for you. This beginner-friendly lesson teaches you how, on today's lesson, I'm going to take you through how to send and receive email. And this lesson, you'll be able to know how to send and receive emails step by step. It is a perfect lesson for a computer user, a new computer user, a student, a job seeker, and anyone who is trying to build practical digital skills for work and communication. So sit back, relax, and let's get started. Most people use emails services such as Google, Outlook. These are the main well-known email services. But the basic steps are very similar close across all email platform, even the things like the services such as Yahoo, they're just the same. To send an email, what an email is basically, it's a way to send and receive messages using internet. You can send a message, document, photo, link, and work files. It is widely used in jobs, schools, businesses, and official communication. How to send an email? The first step is to sign in to your email account. So you need to come to your web browser and go to Gmail. Once you put in Gmail, you come, if you have an account, you just come. For example, like myself, I already have an account, so I'll click that one. If you do not have an account, you need to create a new account. Once you log in, you'll come to this section and then type in the email that you want to send the message to. James at at gmail.com. James K. gmail.com. Subject: application for job. Application for job. We're trying to compose an email. Then this is the subject here. Now here is where you put in the body. Okay. Oh, dear James. Sorry. Dear James, it's good to start with salutation. Dear James, I hope this email finds you well. Kindly see the attached documents for your review. Full stop. Then find the attachment, attach what you want to attach, then click send. Once it's done with uploading, then you can click send. And to send now, the email will be sent to the respective person. Click compose and new message. Look at the bottom label, compose new email and new message. That is exactly what I've shown you. You click here, then you can start typing in the new email. Click to open the new emails window. Fill in with the details. So I've entered the recipient email, put in the subject, which is job application, then the body, and then the salutation and the message, then the end section. Then you can now attach anything that you need to attach, for example, what we just attached, and then you can click send. And to send the email, you must click the send button. How to receive an email? Step 1, open your inbox. After signing in, your inbox open automatically. Step 2, look for new messages. For example, for my case, this is my inbox, whatever you can see here, like this really from Duolingo. If I want to access it, I just click like that and I can be able to see whatever was sent to me. This is another example of a new email. It hasn't been opened. I'll just click in there and I can be able to see the content in that email. To be able to access whatever was sent, even with the attachment, you just need to download the attachments to access it. How to read an email? To read an email is actually very easy. Open the new email, then you read, and then to reply to whatever was sent, you'll just click reply. Like for example, if I want to respond to this email, I'll just come to this section like that and I can send whatever I want to reply with. Since I don't want to send an email, I'll just delete that section. Then once you reply, you can send the reply versus reply all or forward. Reply or reply responds to the sender only. Reply or responds to everyone included in that email, even the CC'd one. Forward sends an email to the new person. Email safety tips: do not open attachments from unknown senders. Check sender addresses carefully. Avoid clicking suspicious links. Never share password by email. And watch for scam messages. Practical exercise: kindly send a test email to yourself. Reply to that email, attach a document, download the attachment, and then try to forward the email to one of your friends. And that brings us to the end of today's lesson. If you're happy with this kind of content, kindly consider subscribing, sharing, and see you in the next video. Bye, and have